All right, y'all. I'm back with another video. Okay, welcome to the Dominoes 7's vlog. Back with another video, as I said just now. Okay. All right. So anyway, so much been going on here in the city of New Orleans, and we already had a murder already. Three people that got shot and killed in a house on Gentilly, across from the fairgrounds. Okay. Yes, indeed. And then carjackings, car break-ins, and stuff like that, shooting unnecessarily and stuff like that, senseless crimes and stuff like that. And then that a lot of people can't stand our mayor, Mayor Latoya Cantrell. To be honest, I didn't vote for her at all. Okay, so so I must say, y'all. I mean, all that senseless crime that's going on is unnecessary. You know, but why kill somebody over senseless stuff? Why carjack somebody? Why? Okay, just because you have nothing better to do with your life? I wonder why. You know. So I must say, y'all. I mean, look at me. I don't have a job and stuff like that. I don't go around doing bad things. I'm not robbing and killing and stealing and all that. I'm not breaking in no cars and whatnot. You know, well, I assume all this brother probably did something like that. Breaking in cars or whatever. That was a rumor on that part. So I must say, anything I don't like is thieves. You know, I mean, all that's going on with purse snatching, carjacking, shooting for no reason and stuff like that. Just because I must say, you want to go to jail for the rest of your life? You want to mess your whole life up? Let me tell you, I'm trying to get to heaven. I'm not trying to do no evil things. You know, some people don't believe in God. It be mostly them black folks. Some of them. I'm not saying. I'm not saying out of racist agenda. Okay, they even have some white folks that don't believe in God doing evil things too. You know, so them youngsters out there and stuff like that. I'm not saying things to be racist or nothing. I'm not racist, to be honest with y'all. Okay, like they say, there are people of any race doing evil things. And I heard about what happened in South Africa, of all places. They have a white only pool. Saying whites only and all that. Not that ain't right either. Okay, and then all this people, I'm not people, whatever else. I wouldn't mention something about swastika, but we gonna skip that. Okay. So I must say, why do evil things? That's all I'm saying. I'm like, that ain't right to do stuff like that. Okay. I mean, all them break-ins and stuff like that, them crime rates and stuff like that. Some people calling New Orleans the murder capital of the world, murder capital of the United States. But in my point of view, New Orleans is the murder capital of Louisiana. I'm not gonna say of the United States because they got killings in New York City, Compton, probably Boston. Okay, and Wells, New York City, East Orange, Jersey, New Jersey, Newark, New Jersey, Cleveland, in Ohio, places like that. You know, Especially Chicago. If I ever did mention Chicago, and as far as I know, Seattle. Okay, so I'm not gonna say get a job or whatever. I ain't gonna do all that. You know, so like I said, do whatever you want with your life. That's your life. You want to mess it up? That's your problem. You know, as long as you don't mess with me and mine. You know, because that senseless crime all over and stuff like that ain't called for. You know, black on black crimes. white on black crimes, black on white crimes, white on white crimes, and stuff like that, and Asian hate and stuff like that. That's not called for. That's really not called for, ladies and gentlemen. I'm like Asian hate and stuff like that, you know. So I must say, when the pandemic first started, so many people was attacking Asians, you know. So let me tell y'all something. I was at MeccaCon, and I know y'all saw that episode when I talked to two Asians, they brother and sister, you know, and I thought they was a couple, you know. So I mean that was a cute girl, you know, cute Asian, you know. But don't get me wrong, I love my black females too. You know, I love any kind of female, no matter what color they are, no matter what race they are. You know, okay. And I also like Lizzie Velasquez. You know, okay. Lizzie, I love her. You know, I never get tired of watching her videos. You know, I never get tired of it. You know, I I just had to watch her videos. You know, I had to. You know, so I must say, y'all, I never get tired of watching her videos, you know. And then I watched her video, room tour. Yeah, let me see what the name of that video is. Room tour. All right. So, all right. What's the name of that video? Room tour. All right. I'm looking at room tours plus some extras. Okay. So that's my favorite of video. You know, when she put the camera in the mirror, saying "That's me," you know, she look cute with them shorts on, you know. hmm So all I would like to see her wear shorts, you know. hmm So what I want to address is people talking bad about Lizzie Velasquez, you know. I'm gonna address that too, okay. So I must say, y'all, I mean, all that is ridiculous, you know. Talking bad about somebody because of their looks and all that. I mean, Liz is beautiful inside and out to me. Okay, if I had a chance, I'd be in a relationship with her right now. You know, yes, I would. Okay, Lizzie, yes, yes, I would be in a relationship with her if I could. You know, but she live way in Austin, Texas. I live here in New Orleans, Louisiana. Okay, I wish I could go visit her. You know, hmm she's a sweetheart. You know, if I would marry her, I would marry her. But it's too early to be talking about marriage. You know. Okay, so all that senseless crime that's going on in the city and other places and stuff like that, you know. So I must say, what's the problem though? With you hate somebody because of their disability, you hate somebody because of their skin color. I had a friend, you know, he tried to get me to hate white people, you know, talking about their natural enemies and all that, you know. So I must say I'm not gonna mention his name. He gonna remain nameless. You know, he would try to get me to hate white people. You know, talking about he's a racist because the Most High is racist. The Lord is not racist. God do not have hate in his heart. You know, the good Lord loves everybody, no matter what race or what color they are. You know, even if they don't believe in them. You know, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it to heaven. I'm trying my best right now, you know, while I'm still on this earth, you know. Okay, so that's all I gotta say, you know. But as far as my city and the mayor and stuff like that, we have to straighten up, you know. We definitely have to straighten up, you know, because this is going too far in this city, you know. I'm sorry to say, you know. I love I love my city. I grew up in New Orleans, you know, born and raised, you know, but all this going on, that ain't nothing new. Stuff was going on like this when I was a kid, you know, but stuff like that mostly happened in the projects, you know, and other areas, but mostly in the project, you know. All right, so that's all I got to say. All right, thank y'all for watching. Okay, all right, bye bye.